Hi LinkedIn, my name is Chirag and this is my second and new project called Concurrent Traffic Simulation. This is where I have tried to create real life simulation of cars driving and following the street lights and treating them as stop signs if required. First off, let's make few things clear. What you are looking in front of you is a famous place in France called
Arc de Triomphe.
These are all the traffic lights and this is the main intersection. Just to be clear, smaller dots near the stop signs are traffic lights and the bigger dots, which will be moving, represents a moving vehicle. Also, the moving vehicle will always make a U-turn at the stop sign. Every single virtual street connecting main intersection and end of the intersection is a road. 90% of all road traveled by a car is turned with relatively higher velocity. The rest of it is done with a lower velocity since we are entering the intersection. My task in this project was to establish a communication protocol between street lights and car, meaning the car reaching the intersection street light has to tell car if it's green or red. There is no yellow light here for the sake of simplicity. If it's green, the car will check and move on. If it's not, it will wait until it's green. Then intersection will send a signal to the car stating it has granted entry. Notice, if there is a multiple cars waiting at the intersection, it will allow entry on the basis of first in first out, even that the green light is on. Now let me give you a moment to observe the simulation on your own for a minute. Entirety of this project is done using C++. I have used advanced concepts like object-oriented programming, mutexes, locks, and most importantly, multi-threading. Every single car you are seeing here, it's running on its own thread. If you would like, you can check out the code at my GitHub profile. My implementation, however, is mainly limited to two files, trafficlight.cpp and its header file. Also, there are few tweaks with intersection.cpp and its header file. This project was very challenging and I had a lot of fun doing it. This is a result of my passion and pure curiosity towards programming. If a year ago somebody told me you would be doing this kind of projects sometime in the near future, I would have laughed. I fell in love with complexity and challenges it has to offer. It is tiring, frustrating at times, and discouraging when stuck. But that's the beauty of this struggle. Moving forward, you will see many new interesting projects from me. I really hope you liked it and thank you.